Hello, I'm Mark DeVito from Raphael's Furniture, and today I'm going to talk to you about French polishing. First of all, French polishing is a method of applying a finish with the use of a pad that is filled with cotton. And I make my own French polishing material with either a nitrocellulose-based lacquer or a clear shellac. The reason why I make my own French polishing material is because the French polishing material that you would buy sold commercially is basically a thinned out shellac, which does not have the resistance against heat, water, and alcohol as good as a lacquer would have. So here's a French polishing pad. It's just dampened with the French polishing material. And you hold it in your hand and you want to smack it on your palm to bring the material out to the surface. And you're going to want to put a thin straight streak across the top, skip about an inch or two, streak it again, skip an inch or two, go over it again. You don't want to overlap because they'll stick. Then you go on to another piece or walk away from it for about a minute, give it a chance to dry, and when you come back, you're going to want to hit the places that you missed. So now I'm going to hit the places that we skipped. Across, across. Occasionally I tap the pad to bring the material to the surface. You want to keep your streaks straight, horizontally straight. You want to pivot your wrist and keep it straight, like that. It's very thin, so it only takes about a minute to dry, and then you're ready to go back over it. The reasons why we French polish is either to give a higher sheen or to restore an existing finish. You can restore an existing finish as long as the existing finish is in good condition without any cracking or alligatoring. You could also French polish a piece of material to fill open pores. To get a higher sheen, I French polish repeatedly until my pad is almost dry and the material coming off is getting thinner and thinner and the streaks are getting lighter and lighter. And then you stop, and if you did a good job with a good technique, you will have a nice higher sheen. It may take a little bit of practice. Now, if you want a lower sheen, just rub the French polished sheen with fine steel wool and water. That'll bring down the sheen. Rub it evenly and flat with the palm of your hand, and when you dry it off, you'll see you have a lower sheen. Now, if you want a nice medium semi-luster, all you have to do at that point is to wax and buff it, and you get a beautiful semi-luster, and that's the type of finish that I like mostly for my antique furniture. Well, good luck, and I hope this has been helpful, and good luck with your French polishing. This is Mark from Raphael's Furniture.